Yo, what up? What up? Told y'all I was back, man. So my thoughts on this pair right now is EU. It's the only thing I'm trading. It's the only thing I'm watching. Cause I've been watching it like a hawk, man. Uh, First, remember to like this post. Share this post with somebody that don't understand forex, and then tell them to pay attention to my page because I'm gonna teach y'all the game. Okay, so you see, I have all these horizontal lines lined up. Okay, these horizontal lines are my zones, and you always do breakdowns from top to bottom, meaning from the weekly all the way back down. Okay, so looking at the monthly, actually, which we can go back to the monthly right quick. So looking at the monthly, the higher high was over here. Okay, but you actually had a couple of resistance zones right up here. So it looked like the monthly was forming an M pattern. Okay, and then you come over here to the weekly, and the weekly is forming a big M pattern. Okay, can you guys see that big M right there? So I think EURUSD isn't done to come all the way back down to this zone. So originally I was thinking it was actually going to bounce off of this zone and go back up, but I think it's going to come all the way back down here. And if I'm not mistaken, it's probably going to make a huge W. Okay, it's probably going to make a big W. Let's look at it on the monthly and see if that's capable too. So yeah, even on the monthly, it looks like it's going to make a huge W. So right after a M, typically there's a big W. So follow me, okay? Follow my cursor here, here, down, and then W. But this is going to take some time. This isn't going to happen overnight, okay? But this is a pair to watch. And you can honestly hold this trade, okay? Because once this actually retraces from, I'm going to say from this area here, down here, that would be a good time to get a buy. Because looking at the RSI is good. And I think the RSI is probably going to drop some more. Looking at these EMAs, I think all these EMAs are actually going to have to cross, okay? All going to have to cross before this even think about coming up. It looked like it's respecting this non-EMA. So I would say a good time to sell is probably once this come back up here and touch this non-EMA. And then go ahead and sell and just ride that thing down to, shoot, probably to the 107 zone. And you want to look for an entry, you come to the smaller time frames, like H1, okay? Because it's going to retrace. It's probably going to go up a little bit. But overall, this is a downward trend, man, a strong downward trend at that. Let's go to M5. So it's probably going to go up a little bit. You know, it's just probably going to scare you. But I can almost guarantee you it's probably going to come back up to this 200 and then continue to drop. It's probably going to drop forever. Because if you're looking at the H4, look at that 200. Okay, you see where the 200 is at? 200, which is my blue line, if you guys don't know what that is. My blue line, go add this, the 200 exponential moving average. So if this comes back up here and touches this 200, that'll probably be a good time to sell. Okay, so that's 1.13567. Let's see if that's a good, about where the non-MA is. Let me see. On the weekly, let me see. Yeah, sorry, that's about right. See, right about, yeah, 113. So it's probably going to come back to the 113 zone, hit that non-EMA and drop, okay? And, I mean, yeah, that's it, man. Just place a sell. Because, I mean, that's really just sell, man. Sell that thing until it show you that it's trying to retrace. Also, pay attention to the news, okay? Pay attention to all the inflation that's been happening in the markets lately, okay? Pay attention to all of it. But, anyways, this is the free game from today, guys. Looking at EU, if you're looking for a long-term buy, just wait for EU to drop. And I'm gonna say honestly, you can honestly sell right now. Let it drop. Now, let me backtrack a little bit. If it doesn't break this zone here, then it's gonna go ahead and come up. But if it does break this support zone here, which it looked like it's going to, then go ahead and just sell and use the H1 or even the H4 as a sell entry point. Because if this comes up to this 200 EMA, more than likely this thing is going to continue to drop. And that's what I'm waiting on. Because they say trading with the trend is your friend, okay? Trading against the trend can somewhat be dangerous. But anyways, this is Terry D, the one and only motivational speaker. This is my free game for the day, and I see you on my next video. Peace.